SBA Publications.
Hello, children. How are you all? I hope that you are doing very well at your homes. And today I am here with our next chapter of literature. That is chapter number 7. And the name of the chapter is Chacha Nehru's Letter. You must know who is Chacha Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of our country. And he was a person who everyone called by the name of Chacha Nehru, but his real name was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And he was a person who loved children very much. And in this chapter also, we are going to read a letter written by Chacha Nehru for you children. So let's start with the reading. Dear children, I like being with children and talking and playing with them. When I am with them, I forget that I am terribly old and it is very long ago since I was a child. So, here Chacha Nehru is saying that he loves to be with children because when he is with children, he forgets that he is very old. वो भूल जाते हैं कि वो बहुत बूढ़े हो चुके हैं और बहुत टाइम निकल चुका है जब वो एक छोटे बच्चे थे उस चीज को हुए. But when I sit down to write, I cannot forget my age. But he is saying when I start writing down something, I cannot forget my age. Why? Old people have a habit of delivering lectures to the young. क्योंकि जो बड़े लोग होते हैं जो ओल्ड पीपल होते हैं उन्हें यंग पीपल को लेक्चर देने की आदत होती है. I remember that I disliked this when I was a boy. So I suppose you do not like it either. Chacha Nehru is saying that मैं भी जब एक छोटा बच्चा था at that time I did not like getting lectured. And now that you are young children, I suppose you also do not like getting these lectures. Grown ups also have a habit of appearing to be very wise. I have not yet quite made up my mind whether I am wise or not. So here Chacha Nehru is saying that old people they also have one more habit of showing to everyone that they are very wise. But he himself cannot decide whether he is wise or not. Sometimes listening to others I feel that I must be wise. Sometimes when he talks to other people, he thinks that he is wise. मैं होऊंगा शायद wise. Then, looking at myself, I begin to doubt this. But when I myself look at this situation, I don't think that I am wise. I start doubting it. People who are wise do not talk about their wisdom and do not behave as if they were a very superior person. Now he is saying that the people who are really wise, they do not talk about their wisdom and they do not behave that they are superior person. What then shall I write about? Now Jawaharlal Nehru is saying फिर मैं अब क्या लिखूं because he is writing a letter to children. If you were with me, I would love to talk to you about this beautiful world of ours. Now he's saying अगर तुम सब मेरे साथ होते तो मैं तुमसे बात करता इस सुंदर दुनिया की जिसमें हम रहते हैं. We have all this beauty all around us and yet we forget about it and lose ourselves in fighting. We sit in our offices and think that we are doing very important work. हम इतनी सुंदर दुनिया में रहते हैं but we never take any note of it. We waste our time in fighting. We sit in our office and think about our work and nothing else. But here, Jawaharlal Nehru is talking to the children. What is he saying? I hope you will be more sensible and open your eyes and ears to your beautiful surroundings. But we people are losing ourselves. But you children, I hope that you will open your eyes and ears and notice how beautiful your world is. Can you recognize the flowers by their names and the birds by their singing? How easy it is to make friends with them. So here Jawaharlal Nehru is saying, क्या तुम फ्लावर्स को उनके नेम से, बर्ड्स को उनकी आवाज से पहचान सकते हो? How easy it is to make friends with them. So here Chacha Nehru is saying how easy it is to be friends with the nature. You must have read many fairy tales and stories. The world itself is the greatest fairy tale. Only we must have eyes to see and ears to hear. Now he is saying कि आप सबने जरूर बहुत सारी fairy tales, that means परियों की कहानियां सुनी होंगी. And no one knows, but the world itself is a fairy tale. And to see that, you must have eyes and ears that notice it. Some months ago, the children of Japan wrote to me and asked me to send them an elephant. He is saying कि कुछ महीने पहले जापान से मुझे कुछ बच्चों ने लेटर लिखा था और उन्होंने मुझसे क्या मांगा था? एक elephant. I sent them a beautiful elephant on behalf of the children of India. मैंने उनको इंडिया के चिल्ड्रन की तरफ से एक elephant गिफ्ट कर दिया. This noble animal became a symbol of India to them and a link between them and the children of India. So this animal became a symbol of India. Elephant उनके लिए इंडिया का सिंबल बन गया और उनके और इंडिया के बच्चों के बीच में एक कनेक्शन का लिंक बन गया. I was very happy that this gift of ours gave so much joy to so many children of Japan and made them think of our country. Jawaharlal Nehru was very happy when he got to know that the children of Japan are very happy with this gift and they are thinking about our country. Remember that everywhere there are children like you, going to school and work and play and sometimes quarreling, but always making friends again. Now, Nehruji is saying that you should remember that children like you are everywhere in the world who play, who go to school, who work, who sometimes fight, but again they become friends. You can read about, and when you grow up, many of you will visit them and you can read about them, and when you grow up many of you will be able to go visit them. Go there as friends and you will find friends to go to greet you. Now here Jawaharlal Nehru ji is saying that you should go there and be friends with everyone, and then you will find friends who welcome you. So this was a letter written by Jawaharlal Nehru for you young children, so that he wants to motivate you to be friends with everyone and everything around the world, whether it is nature or children of your age in any country. Okay, my dear children, now let us read the vocabulary of the chapter. Terribly. Terribly is extremely, on a very higher level. Lectures is information talks. Okay. Doubt. Doubt is be unsure when you are not sure about anything. Sensible. Sensible means level-headed. Okay. Now we have recognize, that means make out, and link, that means connection. So that's it for the chapter and the vocab. Now we have some exercise part given which you have to do on your own, as you people already know. So children, I will be coming back soon with another interesting chapter for you people. Till then, you practice this and keep on being a good learner. I will see you soon. Bye bye.